Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do launch control in your Lamborghini Huracan. So step one of doing launch control in your Huracan is ensure that all your operating temperatures are up to their normal operating range. You don't want to be doing this on a cold engine or anything like that. Make sure you have good tires in the car. Again, you don't want to be doing this on bald tires. And ensure that you are doing this in a safe place. No traffic, no pedestrians, nothing like that. So obviously a closed road or private road or anything like that is a good place to be doing launch control in your Huracan. Once you've verified that all those things are in their optimal condition, you are going to go to your steering wheel, and with the little red button, you're going to change it from Strada down 2 clicks to Corsa mode. And from there on your dash, you are going to click the ESC off button to turn off traction control in your Huracan. Once you've done those steps, with your left foot you are going to fully depress the brake pedal, and with your right you are going to fully engage the gas pedal. And there you have it, how to engage launch control in your Lamborghini Huracan. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your other friends who have Huracans. Subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other videos. We do lots of car content on cool cars like this Lamborghini Huracan. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.